What's up guys, welcome back to YTC. So over here I have a phone clamp slash mount from Amazon by Ulanzi. So right off the bat I noticed this is quite heavy, but not like too heavy. It's like got a decent weight to it. It just feels premium. Swivels really nice. So right here you have your mount for your tripod. Flips 180. Literally can flip 360. This switches between the two, so you can rotate this when it's horizontal, and then when flipped over it starts to rotate the top bit, and midway it actually can move either. This is the iPhone 13 mini, so I'll first flip it this way. See how it fits vertically. Really nice. It's not moving at all. If I wanted to flip it like that, lock it, it's very sturdy. You have also some bridges here if you want to lock it, slide it through something like that.